I've known Pat as a neighbour and basically got closer over the last couple of years, mainly because Pat lost her husband, and that means she had a void in her life. And Pat had no intention of going to college. At 84, you probably don't think of that. You want to enjoy. Online learning courses are a way of learning now, the same as going to college is, and that's what's made a difference for Pat, I think.
The main advantages of using a computer are being able to email friends and family and getting emails back, because all my family live away. Well, one of the best things is being able to put all my photographs on and send them. And I've had photographs back through emails of photographs taken in the 1900s of family I never knew I'd got or had.
I've seen a change in confidence in actually being able to access things that were previously not on the agenda. You know, she couldn't go shopping, she doesn't drive, she lives in a rural community, and it's very difficult then to have the same equal opportunities of being able to shop for things, of having the best price, of actually buying from places that you wouldn't normally think of buying.
Yeah, after my favourite thing, putting photographs on the computer, is shopping online, which I absolutely love and find far too easy because I buy too much. I'm being taken over by this digital world.
Well, Pat, I know how you sort of thought that it wasn't the thing to do to nominate you for this award. You truly deserve it. What you're doing is really, really nice to see, and it should be shared with others. So go for it. Keep on learning so that it benefits you and that you can share your fantastic experience with other people, and they might do the same. Go for it. Well done.
Winning this award is absolutely amazing. I really couldn't believe it when I heard it. To achieve something like that, when you've just worked at home through Learndirect, is an amazing thing. It means a lot.